Hello and welcome to our Sanctuary Mini Suite on Star Princess. Now we're in room 17416. Come on in and let's show you around. So as you first come in, you've got the bathroom on the right. We'll show you that in a little bit. And we've got some air conditioning controls, auto and manual. We'll put on the coldest. There's no temperature gauge or anything, so I'm guessing it will just blow the coolest air possible. I guess that's the bathroom light. We've not packed anything yet, so ignore the cases. But into the first part of the room, so we've got some life jackets. That's interesting, they keep them in the room on Star Princess, along with a safe. And let's just show you some of the storage cabinets. So nice big drawer there. Well, actually quite a few big drawers. There's three this side. Nice soft closing drawers as well. Oh, what are you gonna show? You're just gonna, oh, Ronan was just pointing things out, but there's nothing on these shelves, so there's, oh, I wonder what that is. Oh, don't know, might be a crumb or something. And then into the wardrobe. I feel like at one point these are just gonna fall off, but anyway. I do like the fact that on the rail there's a light here to light up your clothes, and there's also an additional light here, so that's a really nice touch. In terms of coat hangers, I mean, I'm not going to count because I'm sure there's plenty there, as you can see, which is nice because sometimes some of the cruises we've been on, we've had what, probably mid single digits, so probably like 5, 6 each. So it's nice, and some slippers as well. And oh, they've got an actual proper insole, and it's really, if you just feel them, like, ooh. I know I was expecting to be really flimsy, but no, and that's actually a really good idea, I suppose, if you want to walk around the ship, or if you've forgotten your flip-flops and you want to go to the pool. So I do like that indeed. That's a very good idea. I guess you can take these home with you as well. Cool. And there's no anything else to show you in there, so we'll just close these doors. And then into this next one here. Again, more storage space. No hangers in this one, but I'm guessing this is more for coats or dressers. And we have 2 umbrellas, which I'm now going to open up for bad luck. No, I'm joking. Again, that is a nice touch actually. I think when we're comparing this to MSC, because I think we can't really compare this to Explorer, I don't think they had umbrellas in the room. So again, that's nice. Okay, and then looking at the kind of the dressing area, the sunglasses aren't included, but we have got a bottle of Villa Sandy Love by Brito. Gosh, that's very romantic. which is an Italian white wine, I think. A Brut, which I think is an Italian white wine. Is it a Prosecco? Oh yeah, just say Prosecco, right, in massive letters. What are you laughing at? Yeah, but you think normally it would say like Prosecco on the front, wouldn't you? Anyway. That's just about chill. Yeah, it's nice. I think they probably needed, in honesty, being really, really picky, I think a little bit more water or a bit more ice in there because it has melted, and this is, yeah. But it's cold enough, I think, to drink, which is good. Because we are in a sanctuary room, we have this sanctuary collection, which looks like it contains a bit about where to head today. We've got a guide about Star Princess. I'm guessing this is just the kind of what you might need to know about what's kind of happening on board, and various literature, as you can see there. Oh, and I like how they've provided business cards as well. So we have Luca for our Suite Experience Concierge, and then Dorothy. okay. We've got a phone here. I feel like it's like a proper, like that would be on a, that would be on the deck. Right, and then as Ronan's just pointed out there, we've got a European plug socket, US plug socket. Actually, I think that's a UK plug? No, it's not on there. But we've got US, European, USB-C and A. And more plug sockets, again, repeated there. Some glasses, some more storage space. Oh.
These are meant to be quite nice.
Oh, what is it?
Hairdryer.
The bag, oh, taking the bag out, it looks a bit dirty, do you not think? Oh, it's very bright.
They're meant to be really powerful, so...
Dry bar. Should we give it a go? There we go. Wasn't pushing it in hard enough. Is this powerful? Not that powerful. That's not that powerful.
Better than the one on MSC. Because that was the thing that you had to... It was
the Dyson, I know.
Attached.
Yeah. Right. Then we have a mini fridge. No bar or anything, but I guess we can get them from elsewhere on the ship and put stuff in there if we wanted to. Right, into the kind of bedroom area then, we have, again, loads of, well, we've got a US plug socket, USB-A and USB-C again, and some light switches. There we go, and a reading light. And a Sanctuary collection pencil and notepad. Was that meant to be there? Oh, this is the art gallery we walked through a minute ago. So you've got that to read at night if you're bored. And then nothing else to see further down there. In terms of actually bed comfiness, this is soft, on the softer side, which is to my preference. Nice soft pillows as well. Let's see what we've got in this little goodie bag over here, look. And this little, what does the note say as well? Oh, it's about them refuelling. Oh, and it's just the little, what do you call this, a tote bag? Beach bag? So you can walk around the ship like, I don't know, you're not VIP. And then we've got a TV here. And then another TV. I wonder if, is this repeated, do you think, on both sides? Oh, so you can, so in addition to watching the safety video on your phone, you can also watch it in the room. So I did say to you, because it was a nightmare trying to get it to work on my phone. We got there eventually with it. You had to turn off I think hide the private IP address thing in your settings on an iPhone, and there was also something else you had to turn off. But after turning all that off, it seemed to work. IP tracking, I think it was. So we've already watched that, but okay, that's good to know you can do it in your room as well. We've got our assembly station on there. We'll just exit that. And it's used the pictures that you upload to the app. So
that's better than MSC when they take you on the port.
Yeah. So if I put me on here and then let's do, does this one work? Oh, so there is actually a completely different TV remote. So you could watch, oh, it's very loud. I guess you could watch, I don't know, what channels have got Bargain Hunt on this TV and, I don't know, Four in a Bed on the other TV if you really wanted to. And Ronan's just going to take you through the different options on the screen here. Room service you have to pay for, don't you, in this room? Yeah.
No, free.
Oh, it's free?
Cruises brings you...
Is So that's enough of that. Again, seating area. So it's an okay space. I mean, you're not going to be spending hours in your room, I don't think, are you? But it's nice to have, I guess, a fairly large sofa so you can watch TV if you really wanted to. What else? Oh, and yeah, it looks like.
I guess if you had more people in this room, you'd then have that pool, and then you've got 2 rooms really.
Is this a sofa bed?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That probably makes sense. And then we're just going to show you the outside balcony. Just pull this open. It's lovely weather here at the moment. It's about 28 degrees in Fort Lauderdale, or Port Everglades is where we go from. Good say I need to go to the gym. Oh, it's a bit windy out here. My sunglasses are in there. And lots of ships in at the moment. We've got Holland America line. Is that an NCL one? The blue?
Celebrity.
Yeah, Celebrity as well on the left. And then some of the lines I think behind that I don't really recognise. Yeah, lovely view. Looking down, we're not hanging too out of the ship. So you can see down some of the, I guess, the seating areas. Being refuelled at the moment as well.
It's got like a leg rest.
Oh, was it? Oh, this is proper. I think you have to be a certain demographic to. So there we go. Join us for the next review, and we're going to be on the boat down there. No, joking.
And come with me and I'll show you over to the bathroom. So this room is massive. It goes on forever, which is quite nice for it being a mini suite. So let's go into the bathroom. Let's see what this is like. Okay. Large enough, but it's nice to see charging sockets here if you need to shave. Heated mirror. Heated mirror, which is always good to see. And then hand washes are very nice. Plenty of storage for of Alex's cosmetics.
Mostly yours.
And then is there a drawer here? No. So yeah, that's and the shower, probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 people. I won't go in there because I've got my shoes on.
Oh. They flip then.
So if you come back out, I'll show you some little features. Just thought where my phone is. Oh, there. So a brilliant part about Princess is that everything is controlled via your phone. So once you get on board, as Alex said, there was a little bit of a challenge with He's.
Or medallion.
Or medallion, yeah. So it's all, wait for it to load. That's the only thing I think with an app is you then have to wait for it to load. So we'll try and refresh. Here we go. So everything's on here, and we'll show you more in some of our other videos about the Star Princess. But everything on here, we've got dining books this evening, which we'll be able to see in one of our other videos about the ship. But we've got the sail away party at 14:45, which will, again, be on our boarding day and sort of trip video that we do alongside this one. But that would have been out already, so if you head back there, we'll see you on that video.